In this video, we'll take a look at how to create a Google assignment in Schoology and how to manage submissions and grade them. First, you'll want to navigate to a course in which you want to add the assignment to. Click the Add Materials button at the top of your course materials page. You can also access the Add Materials button from within any of the folders you've already created. Click Add Assignment. From the Create Assignment screen, click Google Drive Assignments to open your Google Drive. If necessary, click Connect to approve the app and log into your LMSD Google account. Enter words or phrases in your search bar at the top right to locate the Google Doc that you will want to attach. Select the file from your drive to attach it to the assignment. When your students access your Schoology assignment, they will be able to make a copy of this file that they can work on and submit back to you from directly within Schoology. You can only choose one Google file per Schoology assignment, so you'll want to keep in mind that documents you're attaching here are ones that are operating as a template that you want students to fill in. If you are trying to share a document that's just instructional, then we would recommend hyperlinking it up in the description box. Fill in the rest of the assignment information and then click Create. Creating the assignment automatically creates a new folder structure in your Google Drive. Let's take a look at how this shows up in my Google Drive. The first time you create an assignment using your Google Drive, a new folder called Schoology Google Drive Assignments automatically generates at the root level in your associated Google Drive. With each new assignment you create, new folders populate automatically within this folder. So when I navigate into the folder, you'll see one folder per class and section that you're teaching and have already created a Google assignment for. When I enter into the course and section folder, I'm going to then start to see folders populated for each of the assignments within that course. Each time a student makes a copy of the file I've attached, it's added to one of the assignment folders that it's associated with. While it's helpful to know that this folder exists, we recommend only working with the assignments from within the Schoology platform. One thing to note about these Google assignments is that if you have more than one teacher teaching a course, the teacher who creates the Google assignment is the only one who can view the submissions and grade the work from within the Schoology platform. If you have a need for a co-teacher to be able to view the student work that's submitted, you'll need to go to your Google Drive, navigate to the course, and then share that course folder with the appropriate teacher. To manage your Google assignment, you can navigate to the gear icon, which will give you the same options as any other Schoology assignment, or you can click into the assignment to actually manage the submission. So we're going to take a look at managing submissions, and you'll notice 3 tabs at the top. On the assignments tab, you can view the due date and time, the assignment description, and open the original Google file. Click In Progress to see a list of all the students who have not yet made an assignment submission. You can view a student's copy of your original document before they submit by selecting their name from the list in the In Progress tab. So here you'll notice that neither of the students have actually opened the Google Doc yet, but once the student starts the assignment, you'll be able to see their in progress work here. So it'll actually display within this frame. Now we'll take a look at the student workflow. When the student clicks into the assignment, they'll see 2 tabs displayed at the top, Assignment and My Document. Clicking the My Document tab will generate a copy of the original file that will then be shared between you, the instructor, and the student. As the instructor, you are the owner of the document in Google, and the file is shared with your students. So as a student, I can then start to edit my assignment within the normal Google interface. When the student is finished with their assignment, they can come back to Schoology and select Submit Assignment. The teacher will now receive an alert that there is an assignment ready to be graded. If the student realizes that they forgot to do something, they can always go here and unsubmit the assignment to continue working up until the assignment has been graded or the due date has passed. The teacher can also unsubmit assignments for students. Let's take a look at how submissions appear to teachers. So when I navigate back to the assignment and click on the Submissions tab at the top, I can now see the student submission. I'm also able to insert comments as feedback onto their Google file, as well as assign a grade that can then be passed back from Schoology to PowerSchool. So you can assign a grade here and enter a comment that you will then sync back to the gradebook if you so choose.